This is the census team that finished the Lost Wall. I will report on the Thailand-Cambodia conflict from Bangkok. The Thai military is deploying RTM-42 Duster self-propelled anti-aircraft guns to the Cambodian border region. The Cambodian military, lacking significant air power, appears to be deploying personnel to counter drones in Bangkok. A significant number of Me-1126 Striker armored vehicles were observed heading towards the Cambodian border in Sisaket province. The Thai military has reportedly succeeded in destroying Cambodia's armory using drones. The location is Sisaket province in Thailand, where there was reportedly a Cambodian military armory. This is Surin province. Clashes between Thai and Cambodian military forces have been confirmed, with powerful explosions reported. The Thai Air Force allegedly bombed Cambodia using Korean Global Positioning System, guided bombs from Korea's LIG Nexin. It's been a while since Saudi Arabia used the Korean Global Positioning System, guided bomb against the Houthi rebels. The Thai military is deploying Fighting Vehicle 101 Scorpion light tanks and M113 armored vehicles to the Cambodian operation area. This footage released by the Cambodian army shows the interior of a T-55 tank operating near the Thai border. This shows the process of loading a shell. The Thai artillery unit is attacking a Cambodian military base. They are using howitzers to carry out the attack. The Thai army continues to attack Cambodian positions using Chinese-made 82mm PW-78 recoilless rifles despite the ceasefire agreement between the two countries. The Thai army fired at the Cambodian army's BM-21 multiple rocket launcher using the M758 wheeled self-propelled artillery. The Thai army successfully destroyed the Cambodian army's BM-21 Grad multiple rocket launcher. You can see a large number of Thai troops moving, with a massive force being transported by trucks. This video shows Cambodian soldiers firing a heavy machine gun at the Thai army's location, captured by one of the Cambodian troops. Heavy machine gun fire erupts from a trench, as numerous aircraft and equipment are expected to be deployed in the conflict. The Cambodian army is deploying anti-aircraft vehicles, modified from domestic K511 trucks near the border. Laos Foreign Minister Thongsavan Phomvihane visited Cambodia today, and he is expected to stay in Cambodia for 2 days. Malaysia's Prime Minister reached out to Cambodia and Thailand, expressing worry over their escalating tensions. Anwar El Anouni, European Union Foreign and Security Policy spokesperson, said the European Union is deeply concerned about the escalating tensions between Thailand and Cambodia. This is today's Pentagon Pizza Meter. The current Pentagon Pizza Meter is recording a high level. The Pentagon seems occupied, likely because of Southeast Asia-related news. That's all for the video, thanks.